From zero to superhero, 10 minutes of work, same character, multiple different scenes, fully animated. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow that makes this possible. The biggest problem with AI-generated videos? Consistency. You get one great shot of a character, then the next generation gives you someone completely different. I've solved this, and today, I'm breaking down my exact workflow that creates perfectly consistent characters across unlimited scenes using Nano-Banana and Google Veo 3.1. By the end of this video, you'll have my exact prompts, and you'll understand the system that makes this possible. Let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling the consistency problem. Most people try to describe their character over and over again in text prompts. That's a mistake. To get Hollywood level consistency, we need to give the AI visual anchors. We are going to build a 3-step pipeline. Step 1, the hero asset, one perfect high-res image. Step 2, the technical ID, a 3x3 contact sheet that teaches the AI the anatomy of your character. Step 3, the action storyboard, a prompt that combines these references to generate dynamic scenes automatically. Step 1, creating your foundation character. For this tutorial, I'm generating my image with the Nano-Banana Pro in Google Flow. I'm going to speed through this process because the prompts I'm sharing today are universal. You can create any character you need for your project. A superhero, a villain, a fantasy character, whatever your story requires. The key is to generate multiple variations and choose the one you like best and the one with strong, distinctive features that will hold up across different angles and lighting. This becomes your reference image for everything that follows. Save it at the highest quality possible because you'll use it in every subsequent step. Step 2. This is the secret sauce, the character storyboard. I upload our reference image and use this specialized prompt that I've engineered specifically for consistency. What happens next is remarkable. Watch. We get a 9-panel grid that shows our hero from every critical angle. Front view, 3/4 turn, side profile, from the back, high angle looking down, low angle looking up, facial close-up, full body shot, and an action pose. Same facial structure, same costume details, same proportions. The AI has now learned who this character is from every perspective. This storyboard is our consistency engine. It's teaching the AI the rules of our character, and those rules will carry through to every scene we create next. Step 3, scene generation. Now I upload both images, the original reference image and our character storyboard. This double reference is critical. Now I use a specialized prompt that takes these two images and generates any scene I describe. The output is a 3x3 grid, 9 different shots of that same scene from various camera angles and compositions. Let me show you. First scene, motorcycle race through the city. I describe the scene in my prompt, hit generate, and watch. A 3x3 grid appears with 9 different shots, wide angles, close-ups, action moments, all from this one scene. Look at the consistency. Same character, same features, completely different compositions. Second scene, skydiving over the city. New prompt, same process. Another 3x3 grid, 9 shots. Different environment, different action. Same character. Third scene, infiltrating a biolab. 9 more shots in a 3x3 grid. Even in completely different lighting and atmosphere, the character stays locked in. This is the power of the workflow. I can generate unlimited scenes, unlimited angles, and maintain perfect consistency because the AI has our character's DNA in both the reference and the storyboard. Step 4, from grid to animation. Before we can animate our scene, we need to extract our favorite shots from those 3x3 grids and bring them to full resolution. There are 2 ways to do this. Method 1, if your grid has high enough resolution, simply crop the shot you want in any image editor. Google Flow actually has this crop option built right into the upload process. Super convenient. Method 2. I've created a specialized prompt that extracts a specific panel from the grid and renders it at full resolution. Make sure you upload the scene grid and the main reference image. This helps the AI to better identify your character's key features. In the indicated place in the prompt, provide the grid cell number of the image you want to extract and hit generate. It doesn't always work perfectly, but in most cases, it's pretty close. Once we have all our shots at full resolution, we can animate them. I upload each shot to Google Flow Image to Video feature and write a motion prompt describing how I want the camera and character to move. Here's the motorcycle race coming alive. Next is the skydiving sequence with dynamic camera movement. And walking through the biolab. Same character, cinematic animation, complete consistency across every single frame.
Every mission has a story. Mine started at 30,000 feet. The objective was simple: infiltrate the facility, retrieve the data, and get out alive. One character, unlimited scenes, generated in 10 minutes.
Let me break down what we just did. Step 1. Generate your foundation character. This is your reference point. Step 2. Create the 9-panel storyboard using the first prompt. This teaches the AI your character from every angle. Step 3. Generate unlimited scenes by uploading both the reference and the storyboard, then describing your scene with the second prompt. You get a 3x3 grid of shots for each scene. Step 4. Extract your favorite shots to full resolution. Then animate them using any image to video generator. All the prompts are in the description. This is the system I use for every character-driven project now. This workflow changes everything. You move from generating random images to directing a movie. You have control over the actor, the costume, and the cinematography. I've put all the prompts used in this video in the description below. Copy them, tweak them, and start creating. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the algorithm share this with more creators. And if you want more AI workflow tutorials like this, turn on notifications. I'm exploring these tools constantly and sharing everything I learn. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.